Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm sure you can already tell by the title, it's actually going to be a wig review on this unit that you guys see here. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay angels, so first and foremost, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come over and join the family. If you guys are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just get into the details on this unit. So this unit is actually from a company called Longqi hair, and I will make sure I leave the name here because you guys know I'm always pronouncing something wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Longqi hair. This hair company is an Amazon hair company, and they actually sent me out this unit and the other unit that I actually did a wig review on, so I will leave that unit up here in a card for you guys. So if you want to check out that other unit, you can. So this unit that you guys see here is actually in the color 1B, and this is their Longqi long wave synthetic wig, and it is like a natural looking body wave. Before I get into any more details about this unit, I actually want to go over to the clip of what the packaging looks like, how the hair looks in the box, coming out of the box, everything, so you guys can get a general feel of how the hair will look. And then after you guys see that, I'm going to dive over into a clip of me putting on the wig for the very first time, and you guys just seeing like an initial first impression. Because at this point, I have been wearing the wig all day yesterday out in the rain and everything like that. And the wig actually held up and it looks good, but I want you guys to just get that initial reaction. So let's go over to the clip now. Hey angels, so this is the box. This is what it looks like. You guys already know it has a pair of free lashes inside as always, and the unit is inside a net. I did notice that the parting space was fairly good. I thought it was decent, but with the cap construction there was no combs, only an adjustable strap, which was interesting to me. So this is the unit. I just put it on. I just wanted to come and show you guys what it looked like. Yeah, I'm recording on my phone, so don't mind me. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I do need to add some concealer to the parting space. It's long. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be doing this review later because I'm actually running out. So I wanted to make sure I come right away and show you guys what it looked like and everything like that, in case later on it don't look the same, because it is a synthetic unit and it is raining outside today, guys, so I don't know what this wig gonna look like by the end of the day. So by the time I actually film the review video, this wig might be looking kind of crazy, but I just wanted to come show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so overall I think this unit is very beautiful. It is definitely more of a natural looking unit, which I like about it a lot. It has a right side part. Of course you can adjust it to have it deeper if you would like, or bring it over, whatever you decide. This unit is heat resistant, so you can put heat to it. You can like redo the body waves or add some curls to it, whatever it is that you would like to do. This is a non-lace wig, so this wig did not come with any lace. I know you guys seen the last Longqi hair review that I did, that was a lace wig. This is not. So you won't have any lace on this unit when you take it out of the box, so there's no point of cutting any lace or anything. You can just throw the wig right on and go. So it is like a fast and convenient wig, which I like a lot about it. I like that it's just 1B. And it's just so natural looking. It's cute. And like you could wear it behind your ear, or you can take it out from behind your ear and just wear it out. The unit is beautiful. It is 26 inches in length. So you're going to get some length, guys. Going to get some length going on there. And the price point for this unit is actually $31.99. So it is very, very affordable. Overall, I'm giving this unit a thumbs up. Rating 1 out of 10. I am rating this unit a 8. I like this unit more than I like the other unit that I tried from Longqi hair. Comment down below and let me know your guys' opinion. What do you think about this unit? Do you think it's super cute? Would you wear it? Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure you leave some comments down below so I can know your feedback. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, make sure you check down below in the description. This is where I leave all of my information down for you to purchase anything that I'm telling you guys about. Also, you will find a coupon code down there as well. So don't forget to check down below in the description. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first. Always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.